Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that you are unable to share photos with your iCloud link. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to do that. So just go to the settings of the iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So after disconnecting your VPN, you just have to just go to general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after you just scroll down and you see the option of a transfer or reset iPhone, just tap that and just tap on reset and you reset the network settings from here. So many users facing issue, so that's why you just have to reset your network settings and get connected with your Wi-Fi. So after that, just go back and just go to the Apple ID and just going to iCloud and just going to the photos and see just going to scroll it down and see the option of shared libraries is set up and wait for a second. You just have to just turn on your sinus in this phone. So make sure that you just have to turn on the sinus this iPhone. You just have to just turn it on. So after that you just also go to the option of optimize iPhone storage. Just have to just toggle that option. So after that, you just go to check your iCloud storage if you have enough iCloud storage. So if you don't have enough iCloud storage, so just go to the make sure you just have to just enough storage in your iCloud. So after that, you just have to just make space in your iCloud. So after that, you just make sure the third step is your strong Wi-Fi connection and VPN is off. And the fourth step is you just restart your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and just restart your iPhone. After restarting your icon, you start your iPhone, you just have to just toggle of iCloud on and off. After that, you just wait for 2 to 3 minutes and just turn it on. And after that, you just update the latest iOS version. So make sure that you just update the latest iOS version. Just go to back, again back, and just go to general section and just go to software update and just update the latest iOS version. So many users facing issues because their device is not updated. So make sure your device gonna update to the latest iOS version. So after that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.